We're just going to prepare three of the vegetables we have coming up this week. The first is the asparagus on Monday's pork dish. You simply snap off the asparagus spears and throw away the base or reserve them for a soup. In the restaurants, we used to use a paring knife to take off all the little fins around the outside, but you don't need to do that. You can simply just peel it and that's fine. If you're in a real rush, you'll also get away with simply just snapping the spears and blanching them as is. They'll just cook a little bit less consistently. The next vegetable is the Brussels sprouts on Wednesday's beef dish. The first thing you're going to do is just cut off the little base of the Brussels sprout, which will let you peel off the outside layers, and just throw those away as they could be a little bit discolored from being out in the weather. The next job is to just use a paring knife or just carefully with your fingers, just take off the leaves as you slowly go down. As you get to the very core of the Brussels sprout, you can simply just quarter that little piece. Or, if you're in a real rush, just quarter the whole Brussels sprout. And finally, we have the carrots that are also for Wednesday's beef dish. The first thing you're going to do is take off the top leaves and reserve them for later. Peel the outside of the carrot and throw that carrot peel away. Then start peeling away the inside of the carrot and just reserve those shavings. That's what's going to make your salad. At the very end, you can also just cut off that little nodule thing, which is about 1 millimeter and can also be put into the salad. Alternatively, you can just peel all the way down to the end and throw away whatever's left over. The next step is to just pick off the carrot leaves and just throw those into your salad. Just as much as you want. They have a chervil and parsley type flavor to them, so it's really your preference on how much you want in your salad. So that's the three vegetables that we're prepping this week. There was the asparagus on Monday, the Brussels sprouts on Wednesday, and the carrot also on Wednesday. Thanks.